chatbot properly. I just thought that some people might need it, and I just watched a webinar and I thought this was something that needs to be taught. So okay, I'll try and show you what I already know with okay, so with Microsoft's Copilot, if you want to search for something simple, or you don't need it to be too specific. I mean, this can also work for other chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, or later I will also show you how to do it with GPT, which is basically based on ChatGPT. Okay, for example, now you want to do something simple. You want to search for something simple with some details stressed. So now I will try to search for something. I want to know the difference between typical pancakes, the typical Western pancakes, and Russian blini. It's also a pancake, but I don't know the difference, so let's find out about the difference. Now click enter and just wait for it to answer the question for you. Now let's read it. So, overall difference, the main difference in the typical pancakes and Russian blini lies in the preparation method and the texture of the final product. Leavening agent, typical pancakes often use baking powder as a leavening agent, while Russian blini use yeast. This results in a different texture and flavor. Yeah, I've been making Western pancakes and I know it. Thickness, typical pancakes are usually thicker and smaller in diameter, while Russian blini are thinner and larger, smaller, similar to French crepes. Crepes or crepes. Crepe. And then serving style. Both can be served with a variety of savory toppings. However, Russian blini are often rolled or folded with the fillings, while typical pancakes are usually stacked with toppings placed on top. Now let's search for something, more serious. Like for example, I would want this program to write a caption for a meme I would post like this week. First, you should add the context. Internet meme, Instagram meme. Post. I think we should put content of the post. We add here task. Create caption for this meme. Additional detail. So the key here, you should put on what context is this thing you want it to do. For example, here there is this internet meme or Instagram meme. The caption would be much more different if I'm actually making something like more fun or funny, or is it a script for a language learning page, a language learning video where I am the language teacher. No, I'm not a language teacher. The task would be, there is a simple rule to make prompts for AI, chatbots in this case. You should make it clear. And be as less vague as possible. The more specific it is, the better the results will be. And there are cases where if you prompt it wrong, then the result would also be wrong. So be careful and check your prompt, and then we prompt again with the right version. Now let's see what this would get me. Since the task is more elaborate, you gotta wait a little bit more, and that is normal, that is fine. That is, as you can see, the thing it creates is something very relatable and something you would actually see if a big meme creator. And Now let's try the same thing in Yandex GPT just to prove my point. Okay, why Yandex? Because that's the other one easy to grasp and I already have in my device. Okay, not now. As you can see, the language are all in Russian, so you have to add language, English. Or it's the same thing with the previous one, with the one in Copilot. If you want the caption to be in Indonesian, because I'm an Indonesian and some of my audience is in Indonesia, I can put language Indonesian or bahasa Indonesia. Let's just try what this will give me. You can see two Spider-Mans pointing at each other. One says pipe, the other says plastic. What's the connection? It's a recycling fact. No, that is some sort of Russian humor, Russian show. I think this was really fun and I hope you understand my point, and I would do a lot of speed ups in this video so you won't get dizzy by my explanation. Other than that, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!